Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and want to know how that was created. And it's pretty straightforward. I had a little trouble trying to figure out how they got that shape. But I made a circle, put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to take an oval and I'm going to put it like right there. And then I'm going to kind of do like that. It's not going to be perfect. But then if you take this Smart Fill tool, and what the Smart Fill tool is, creates a new object, and we'll make that object, and then we'll move it out of the way for a second, and then we'll get rid of this. And I counted the ones they rotated at 60 degrees or 10 degrees. So I'm going to make a copy of that. And the circle is in, or the ellipse is in the center of the page. So I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it to 10 degrees. And we get that shape right there. So now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and move that over. And then move it back. And I'm going to make it I'm going to go ahead and play with it. It's got a green tip and a darker green bottom. So I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across, and then I'm going to put a darker green in that spot and maybe move it up a little bit. Now it's rotated 10 degrees. We can get rid of our circle now. Control D, Alternate C, and rotated that 10 degrees. And because we made that section, so mine is going to be a little bit different than theirs. Let me zoom out, and I'm just keep Control D all the way around and see how they just match up. Now I'm going to go ahead and group this together, and theirs is a little wider than mine. But if it has to be just like that, person I'm doing this for can figure it out. Now, I'm going to take it, I'm going to Control D. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring it in to like right, well, that's a little bit too much. And then I'm going to mirror it. And that's pretty much the same thing. Mine's thinner, so you would have made your ellipse a little bigger. And I'm a little bit too big on the middle, on the second one. So I'm going to go like 95%. See how it's closing that gap? Oh, I had my ratio unlocked. Let me go 96%. And see it closed, that might be too much. So let's go 95.5. And it took out that white. Now let's look at it. There's a gray background on that one, but we'll put a box around it and make it black. And I'm going to go Object, Order, Back of Page. And you get that right there. Pretty cool. Somewhat similar to that. They just started out with a wider oval than mine. But I think they're equally as cool. And you could rotate that, inner circle a little bit by making it like 185 degrees. And see, now they're a little bit more offset, kind of equal. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.